that rate at which you are financing diesel trucks, that electric trucks are not a dangerous subject. These are not things on which you will lose money. In fact, electric trucks might help you make some money. The manufacturers, the purchasers and bankers, all three people win. It is a win-win solution to all. We will work on that also.
We all understand electric trucks are good. Large part of the transport network based on trucks. So a lot of pollution is coming. 18% pollution in our country is coming from the transport sector, and trucks constitute a large part of it. Required now is that what are the hindrances which are stopping adoption of electric trucks?